Hey guys, it's Dan here at J&D Gardens. If you're like us and do a lot of work outside, you probably come across bird nests like this all around your property. And if you ever wonder what goes into building something like this for the birds, we're going to show you, so stick around. Welcome back. So before we get started, please do us a favor and hit like and subscribe and ring that bell to notify you of any future videos. So we're here in Garden West at the top of our gazebo, and this has always been a prime spot for birds to build their nests. Now, probably for a couple of reasons. One, it's pretty high up. We're about 7-8 feet up, and that protects the bird's nest from all the predators. And second, keeps them out of the rain. This is all covered in here, so the rain's not going to wash away their nests. Now, in the past, we've done videos showing you how the birds like to build right on top of these power boxes. Now, we put this so we could power the ceiling fans that we have in here. And like clockwork, they just every year they were building them, and sometimes on both sides. It's crazy. So what we did, I have actually made a video of it showing you how you add these bird spikes. Now, if you're not familiar with these, you probably see them in a bunch of stores in between their signs and on top of their signs, those little metal spikes, and those are to keep the birds out. So if you're ever wondering, these are plastic, and you can buy them online. You can kind of attach them anywhere. We'll leave a link to these at the end of the video, and they work great. We never have a problem. But I did want to have some fun with our GoPro. So what I did last season, and it's taken me a year to edit this video, that's why I'm bringing it to you now. I filmed this in 2023. I took out this spike here for two of them I have here for about a week to see what happens, and lo and behold, right away a bird came in and started building its nest. So what I did for about the day and a half that it took them to do that, I kept the GoPro out here and other cameras and just filmed it. Now, it'll be on a time lapse, so I'm gonna have to do it really, really quick. I don't wanna bore you with the video. It's about 9 or so minutes long, but it's really interesting. You see the bird, I believe it was an American robin that came in and just from scratch, totally from scratch, just started building nests. It's really, really interesting. The footage is going to look a little wild because I've kind of, like I said, I fast forward through the areas where the bird keeps coming back and forth with the twigs in the mouth and building it. So it looks like she's kind of building it out of nowhere, but it's really interesting. So hopefully you can stick around to the end of the video and see how it turned out. Check this out.